I'm so excited to be sharing something really special with you all today. I just laid my hands on the skincare package from the brand Queen's Beauty line, a brand that is dedicated to solving our skincare issues. Hashtag skincare, hashtag beauty, hashtag confidence. Let's talk about the packaging. I love how sturdy this carton is. Everything has been so well personalized and intentionally done. Let's dig in. Oops, I forgot. We have a scan code, a barcode. Let's scan and see where it takes us to. It actually works. It takes us directly to their website where you are offered a 20% discount on all products on that website. Check it out. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see that they have so many methods of payments and also their social media platforms. Let's visit their Instagram page. Feel free to follow Queen's Beauty line on all social media platforms. Now to the exciting part. Let's open and see what we have here. It comes with a card which reads, "You are a king, queen, and you're absolutely the best." How sweet is that? And of course, my name at the back with lots of nice things written on it. But let's look at the products. First up, we have the body wash made with turmeric, vitamin E, and tea tree oil. Look at the packaging. Nicely done. Next up, we have the apricot foot scrub. I love scrubs, so I know my feet are really going to enjoy this. And next up, we have the luxurious exfoliating face wash. Nicely packaged. And up next, we have the handmade turmeric bar soap, which is made with vitamin C, coconut oil, and turmeric. Also nicely done. And next, we have the soothing, calming body scrub with lavender oil. I know I'm going to enjoy this. I just love scrubs. And we also have the double-sided cleansing brush, and finally we have the sugar face scrub made with activated charcoal. So feel free to visit the Queen's Beauty website and also follow them on all social media platforms. I see they have wonderful customer reviews, and I know I'm going to enjoy this package. I'm going to be sharing with you my skincare routine using these wonderful products from Queen's Beauty line. Let's stay beautiful in and out. Till next time. Bye.